Hello everyone, welcome back to online class. I am Renuka from Upper Public School, CBSE, Kaveri. I am handling social studies for class 3. Yes children, in previous class we discussed about lesson number 13, occupations in India. Lesson number 13, occupations in India. We discussed about the workout of the occupations in India. Yes, in that what we have studied children? First, keywords, yes, means new words of this lesson, and choose the correct answer. Then we go for true or false. Then the third bit is match the following. Yes, these are all the things we discussed in the previous class. In today's class, we are going to discuss remaining bits. Yes, children. Next, we'll go for fourth bit. Fourth bit, name the following. Name the following. Yes, children. In textbook, they gave only 3 bits. Yes. First one, choose the correct answer or fill in the blanks with the correct answer. The second bit is write T for true and F for false. The third bit is answer these questions. But in the previous class, we discussed the third bit as a match the following. Yes. And the fourth bit is also name the following. These two are the extra bits. Next. Yes, children. Hope all are ready to listen the class. Everyone open the textbook and classwork. Okay, children. We'll start the fourth bit. Name the following. In this first one, a mill is used to grind wheat into flour. Yes, what is the question? A mill is used to grind wheat into flour. Yes, children, what is the question? A mill is used to grind wheat into flour. What is the answer, children? Where the flour is grinding wheat into flour? Yes, answer is flour mill. Yes, children, flour mill. This is the answer. Next, we'll move for second one. Second question. A state of India. Yes, children. A state of India. State of India. Whose handicrafts. Whose handicrafts are world famous. Are world famous. Yes. What is the question, children? A state of India whose handicrafts are world famous. Which state, children? Answer is Rajasthan. Yes. Answer is Rajasthan. Everyone should write down neatly. Yes, children. Next, we'll move for the third question. People who spin cotton into thread. People who spin cotton into thread. Right question, children. The third question. People who spin the cotton into thread. Yes, children. While explaining lesson, as I said, how the cloths are made. In that portion, we studied about who will spin the cotton into thread. Answer is spinners. Yes, children. Answer is spinners. Spinners are the people who spin the cotton into thread. Yes, children. Next, the fourth question. Largest wheat producing state. Punjab and one more state. Which state that is? Yes, that one more state is Haryana. Yes, children. Largest wheat producing largest wheat producing state. One is Punjab and which is the one more state, children? Haryana. Yes. Yes, children. In fourth week, name the following. A mill is used to grind wheat into flour. Where they are grinding the wheat into flour, children? In the flour mill. Second question. A state of India. A state of India whose handicrafts are world famous. In which state they are? Yes, the answer is Rajasthan. The third question. People who spin the cotton into thread. People who spin the cotton into thread. For them, what we say? Spinners. Next, the fourth question is largest wheat producing state. Punjab and one more state is Haryana. Yes, children. Hope all understood this bit. Name the following. Yes. We move for next bit. Yes. We'll move for next bit. Very interesting bit, children. That is fifth bit. Answer these questions. Answer these questions. Yes. Here I will not write any questions. Just I will read once and I will write the answers. Yes, children. First one. First question. What are raw materials? What is the question? What are raw materials? Yes, children. First question. What are raw materials? Answer. Answer is raw materials are products grown by farmers. Yes, children. Raw materials are the products grown by who? Farmers, which are used by industries. Yes, which are used by the industries to produce to produce, manufacture, to produce, manufactured goods. To produce, manufactured goods. Yes, what is the first question, children? What are raw materials? What is the answer? The raw materials. Raw materials are the products. Yes, raw materials are the products which are grown by the farmers, which are used by industries, to produce manufactured goods. These are called raw materials. Next, second question. What are manufactured goods? Yes. What are manufactured goods? Yes, children, write down in your classwork neatly. What are manufactured goods? After the farmer has grown, after the farmer has grown the crops, after the farmer has grown the crops, these raw materials, which material, children? Raw materials. After the farmer has grown the crops, the raw materials or these raw materials go to, where does the raw materials go? It goes to various yes, various industries, where they are made into manufactured goods, where they are made into manufactured goods. Yes, children, what is the question? Second question. What are manufactured goods? After the farmer has grown the crops, those crops or those raw materials go to various industries where they are made into manufactured goods. In the first question, what are raw materials? The raw materials are the products, yes, which are grown by farmers. For example, cotton, jute, tea, coffee, etc., which are used by industries to produce manufactured goods. In the second question, what are manufactured goods? After the farmer has grown the crop, those raw materials are going to various industries where they are made into manufactured goods. Yes, children, write down neatly in your classwork. We move for third question. What is harvesting? What is the question? Yes, children? Fill up first one. Third question. What is harvesting? Yes, children? Answer. What is harvesting, children? After the farmer will has growing the crop, what they do? They will harvest the crops. Means they cut and gather all the crops in the same place. Yes, we'll write the answer. When the crop ripens, when the crop ripens, farmers cut and gather. Farmers, what they do? They cut and gather it. Means crops. This is called harvesting. This is called harvesting. Yes? What is question, children? What is harvesting? When the crop ripens. When the crop ripens, farmers what they do? They cut and gather it. Means they cut and gather the crops. This is called harvesting. Yes, children? Now, shall I have the second question and answer? We'll move on. Fourth question. Yes, children? Name two arts and crafts that India is famous for. What is the question, children? Name two arts and crafts that India is famous for. We should. The fourth question. Answer. India is famous for first one, silk. The second, embroidered cloth. Embroidered cloth. You can write one more also. Yes, that is Madhubani paintings. Madhubani paintings. Yes, that's only two. You can write any two in three. Yes, children. Next, we'll move for fifth question. Describe how wheat flour reaches us. Yes, what is the question, children? Describe how wheat flour reaches us. While explaining the lesson, I have shown you one flow chart. Yes, children. Hope you all remember that. Yes, we'll write here. What is the procedure for the flour reaches? In generally, first, what they do? Cultivation or cultivating. Yes, what is the first procedure? Cultivating. Then, after cultivating, what the farmers do? They will harvest the crops. Harvesting. Yes, after cultivating, harvesting. Next, what is the third procedure? After the harvesting the crops, they are going to send the crops where? Flour mill. Yes, flour mill. Flour mill. After that, children, yes, after grinding the wheat into flour, what they do? They are packing. Yes, packing and sending to the market. Packing and sending to the market. The last procedure, selling. procedure. Yes, children? We have the fourth question and answer. What is the fifth question, children? Describe. Yes, what is it? Describe how wheat flour reaches us. Yes, in generally, I have written here cultivation or cultivating the crop, harvesting, flour mill, packing, and selling. This is the procedure how we are getting flour. We write answer now, children. After cultivating wheat, it is taken into a flour mill. It is taken into a where, children? Flour mill. And manufactured into flour. Yes, manufactured into flour in the flour mill. Yes, into flour. How? By machines. Yes. In the factories, what they do? After they are taken to the flour mill, they are manufactured into flour. How? That is by machines. Then it is packed. And sent to shops in the cities. Yes, children. Describe how wheat flour reaches us means first, as I show here, first what they do? Farmers cultivate the crops. After that, when the crops are ripens, what they do? They cut and gather. That is called harvesting. After harvesting the crop, they are going to send to the flour mill, where a mill is used to grind wheat into flour. Then after that, packing. After converting or after manufacturing into flour, they are packing and sending to the market. The last procedure is selling. Yes, the same way. After cultivating wheat, it is taken into a flour mill. And manufactured into flour by machines. How it is manufactured? By the machines. Then it is packed and sent to the shops in the cities. Yes, children? Next. Sixth one. Next. The sixth question. What is sixth question, children? How is a kurta made from cotton? How is a kurta made from the cotton? What is the sixth question? How the kurta is made from cotton? By explaining lesson how clothes are made, that I explained. First, we write the answer. The first point. After cultivating cotton, After cultivating cotton, children, how all are writing? Yes, write with me for handwriting. Cotton, it is taken to factories. It is taken to factories. It is taken to factories for what? For spinning. For spinning it into thread. For spinning it into thread. Yes. Second point. What is the second point? This is followed by weaving the thread into cloth. Weaving the thread into cloth in factories. Weaving the thread into cloth where children? In the factories. Next, the third point. After the cloth. Yes, after the cloth. After the cloth is ready. After the cloth is ready, what we do, children? Tailors make kurtas. Tailors make kurtas from them. What is the question, children? How is kurtas are made from the cotton? There are 3 steps. After cultivating the cotton, farmers what he will do? First he will sow the seed and grow the cotton. After cultivating the cotton, it is taken to the factory. Why it is taken to the factory? For spinning cotton into thread. For spinning it into thread means cotton into thread. The second step. This is followed by weaving the thread into cloth in factories. Where it is converted into thread into cloth? In the factories. The third step. After the cloth is ready, what it will be easy to stitch, or tailor can make the kurtas from the cotton or the cloth. Yes, children? Hope all understood. Next, the last question. Yes, children? Last question. Hope all are understanding. Next, the 7th question. What is the difference between spinners and weavers? What is the 7th question? What is the difference between the spinners and weavers? First, we'll write about spinners. Yes, children? And weavers. Spinners and weavers. Make 2 columns. Then it will be easy to write. The difference between spinners and weavers. First, spinning is the process. Spinning is the process of making. Spinning is the process of making thread out of raw fibers. Thread out of raw fibers means cotton. Yes, cotton is also example for the raw fibers in the weavers. First point. Weaving is the process. It is also process of taking thread, process of taking threads and making them into cloth. Making them into cloth. Yes, children. What is the seventh question? What is the difference between the spinners and weavers? Here we can make two columns. First column spinners, the second one weavers. See, spinners is nothing but spinning is the process. It is the process of making thread out of the raw materials. Means they are converting cotton. They are converting cotton into thread. Yes, children. Who? Spinners. What is the work of the spinners? They are converting or they are spinning the cotton into thread. Next, the weavers. Weaving is the process. It is also one kind of process of taking threads. What they do? When the spinners converting the cotton into thread, what the weavers will do? They are taking out the thread and they are converting into the cloth. Yes, children? Here, in the weaving, what happens? They are converting thread into cloth. Converting thread into cloth. Weaving is the process of taking threads. The spinners are spinning the thread from the raw fiber, means that is cotton thread. After the spinning the cotton into thread, the weavers what they do? It is the process of taking threads and making them into cloth. Yes, children. Hope all understood. Yes, in this lesson workout we studied about fill in the blanks with the correct answer, and the second bit write T for true, F for false. In the third bit match the following. In the fourth bit name the following, and the fifth bit is answer these questions. In this